Window Guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to go about obtaining rough dimensions of your entire opening so you can put together a window list, all your windows, all the dimensions, width first, then height, and provide that to me via email. Just shoot that over to me. In the description box I'll have my email. I'll also have my phone number. If you have any questions and you don't understand something, shoot me a quick call. I can answer your question. Make sure you're putting together your list accurately. But all you're gonna do, it's super simple. You're gonna go to the inside of your window. You're gonna measure width first, then height, drywall edge to drywall edge, just like this. This one's 28 3/4. We're gonna call it 29. Again, it's rough dimensions. The height is 46. So this particular rectangle, standard rectangle opening's 29 by 46. This one happens to open up and down. We call that a single hung. I'll also put together an abbreviation list that shows the openings. If it's a slider, it's an XO. If it goes up and down, it's a single hung. If it's solid, it's just fixed. And you get the point. So it's super easy to go ahead and get the rough dimensions of all your openings, put together a list. Again, my phone number will be in that description box, my email that you're gonna email that list over to you, or to me. You're gonna email that list over to me. I'll then turn around and provide you a quote within 24 hours. Super simple. I don't need to take up your time and come and give you some sales pitch. We'll get straight to the point. If our price meets your budget, then I get more involved. I come out there, I get the exact dimensions, I sign you up, and I give you the best possible window job you can get in Southern California. So I look forward to getting your dimensions and shooting you over a quote. Thanks.
Get a free, no obligation replacement window quote within hours. I've made it super simple for you to obtain the cost of your replacement vinyl windows without a pushy sales guy coming out and taking up a few hours of your time with all their sales tactics. Just follow these simple instructions in this video, then email your list and receive an accurate quote for your replacement window project. Follow these instructions now. Go to the inside of the window, measure drywall corner, edge to edge, width first, then height. Just like this. Width, then height. Make a list of all the openings and email that list to mark@yourwindowguy.net. Within hours, you will have a free quote for your replacement vinyl window project. Email your list to mark@yourwindowguy.net, then check your inbox a few hours later. It's really that simple. If you have any special window shapes or questions, just call me for additional information. 800-810-2505. I'll look forward to receiving your list and providing you with a free estimate. I'm your window guy, Mark Baker. Email your list now, mark@yourwindowguy.net, or call 800-810-2505, and I'll see you in your inbox.